called the reporter. Of course, ours is mounted upside down, but I extended the range by adding an antenna to the detector on the driveway. Well, here's the detector part of the driveway alert. I added an antenna on, as you can see. Soldered it and heat shrink the tubing. Added a piece of wire, solid core. Put an eyelet on it. Drove a bolt into the top of this post. I had a car antenna laying around. You can see it's threaded. Put it up, just tighten the two up, and there you go. And I extend the antenna, and it goes way, 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 way up there. And it has to reach through here. When I was here, it was all gone. So it was an easy go-to thing. Well, that original antenna on that ain't good enough. So I just extended it. Real easy and simple. I didn't show how to do it because it's just too simple. But that's it. Works like a charm.